Hello! Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to see what happens with the railway tracks.
Woohoo!
Look over there. A truck is moving at high speed.
Aha!
Oh no! The signal pole and the barriers have been stolen. What should we do now? The train is approaching. The truck is heading toward the tracks as well.
Oh no! Help! Help me! Oh no! Oh no! Help me! Help! Help
Oh
me!
no! The fire is massive!
Go, 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 go! Go, go, hurry, hurry!
Awesome!
Okay, let go.
The fire truck is on its way to the rescue.
Oh no!
The fire hose is putting out the flames. Keep it up! Look! The fire is slowly being extinguished. The vehicles have been saved. Amazing!
Hooray! Bye!
Bye-bye! Now, it's time to install the traffic light pole. Wow! Just wow! Goodbye!
Bye!
The railway has returned to its peaceful state.
Okay, let's go!